everybody, it's been a bit of a busy day today. I met my friend and her little girl at soft play, so Fletcher's had a run around with her and I've had a nice catch up. Fletcher's been getting a bit of a chesty cough. It's nothing too bad, it's not very frequent, but I've decided that it was worth phoning his nurse and asking if we could take him in to the hospital just to get a cough swab done. So they just put a stick in his mouth, he coughs on it, and then they send it off to the lab and it gets tested to see if anything grows. So we've had that done today, and hopefully it's nothing. We can just carry on with the medications he's having at the minute. So I should get that back. I'll probably phone on Monday and check with the hospital, see if anything's come back, and if it's clear he'll stay on what he's on, and if he grows something they'll tell me what antibiotics I need to get. Hi!
Hi!
What happened to your eye? Yeah, what did you do? Did you fall over at soft play? Yeah. What are you eating? What is it? Oh! You got McDonald's?
Yeah.
You just got back from the hospital? So Mummy said you could have a special McDonald's for your tea, for your dinner?
Yeah.
A special McDonald's for dinner? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh good. Are you going to eat it all up? No, I bet you do. You get all those extra calories and fatten you up. Has Mummy let you have a special pop? Oh, well this is an extra special dinner.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it your treat for being a good boy at the hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you do the cough all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to do one for Mummy now? Come on then. Can you do a big one? Oh, good job.
Button.
So as you can see from that cough, it has got a bit of a rattle to it. When it sounds like that, it's always best to get it checked out just to be on the safe side. And hopefully everything's okay. Everybody, it is Thursday afternoon. We've just got back from Fletcher's swimming class. We have still gone to swimming class even though he did go to the hospital to get his cough swab yesterday. But he has a cough a lot of the time anyway. He's finding himself. It was just a peace of mind really to get him tested yesterday. And I'm just about to do him his lunch. Oh, chocolate. What else you got? Is it your lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. I've just dropped Fletcher off at my mum's and then came back and picked Paul up and then made him drive because I'm mean. We're on the way to the cinemas. We're going to go watch a movie with my sister and her partner. I think we're going to grab a Subway on the way there. Grab ourselves something to eat. We are going to watch Spider-Man. That's about the 7th time he's told me and I still forgot. Fletcher's car seat currently has no covers on it because I stripped the covers off today and put them in the wash because they were covered in chocolate. Ready for when I go away?
Yeah.
Again. Have fun by yourself while I'm on holiday. Can I get this cucumber and gherkins on one, please? Mayonnaise, please. No. No, that's one. Yeah, I'll go. Take one, please. Yeah. Sorry, Pepsi, please. It was very good.
Yeah, something different. Not like the origin story.
We're on the way to get Fletcher now.